Tired of spending hours setting up new projects in Asana? Well, say goodbye to project setup stress because in this video, I'm going to show you how to import a template in Asana so you can create projects in seconds. First, click the big plus button on the left side of your screen. This will bring up options to create new projects, themes, or templates. Select Use a Template. This will open Asana's template library, which is full of pre-built project structures designed to help you get started quickly. Now, browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. You can filter by department, use case, or even search for something specific. For this example, let's say we are looking for a project template for content calendar. Once you find a template you like, click on it to preview it. You'll see a detailed overview of the tasks, sections, and custom fields included in the template. If you're happy with the template, click the Use Template button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to give your new project a name. Enter the name and decide whether you want to make it a public or private project, and click Create Project. And that's it. Your project is now created with all the tasks, sections, and custom fields from the template, ready for you to customize and start using. Importing templates saves you tons of time and ensures consistency across your projects. That is how to import a template in Asana.